Hi guys, so we are back at it. This week's activity is going to be the same as I believe 2 weeks ago with the definitions, drawing, paragraph, everything. So this week it's going to be the exact same activities, but it's going to be on 6 different words, still from chapter 12 of To Kill a Mockingbird. So with that being said, I have still come up with another example in case you guys were confused still or just wanted a little extra. I'm using a different word this week because I figured it was only fitting. If you guys had to do definitions on a different 6 words, I should have to create a different example for you. So that way you guys aren't the only ones doing work here. So this week, my word for my examples is going to be enclosed. So the definition for enclosed is surrounded or closed off on all sides. My definition is closed into something. So again, short, simple, to the point. All you have to do is come up with the dictionary definition. So you just look up, you just Google enclosed definition or whatever definition. Copy that into your assignment sheet and then just create a definition of your own. And you're going to do that for all 6 words. So that's all for today. I will be back again tomorrow with another example with the same word. So I will see you then and good luck. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.